Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just the update on this Porsche 996 here that we've done the actual AC. If you have a look properly now, so everything at the front here is all done. Pretty much all torqued up. Here, it's all done. All the pipes. And put some new O-rings everywhere, pretty much wherever you see, every pipe here you see, have a new O-ring on it. Because of that side there, I had to reseal all this as well with silicone. With black silicone, just want to make sure there's no water leak. So we just finished putting the AC gas in, and the reason why I put the AC gas in now is put the gas in now so I can actually inspect it tomorrow. So any leak around here or anywhere, you can pretty see if it's leaking. If anything is leaking, you see it now, but make sure the best thing to do is inspect it tomorrow morning. Even the AC condenser here. Make sure there's no leak from the actual pipes here in yellow. That means I've torqued it up to 10 newton meters. If it's an M6 on an AC system in a Porsche, if it's an M6, M5 will be a 6 newton meters. If it's an M6, it will be a 9 newton meters. I'll just do it 10 newton meters. Alright, so something like that. It's very easy. And the actual pressure sensor, that one there, is only 3 newton meters. Don't over tighten it, that will break the whole thing. Okay, so everything here is back together now. So what I'm doing tomorrow, I'll come and inspect everything here, make sure everything's good. If everything passes, then I'll come back inside here and start the assembling of the inside. So tomorrow I'm gonna connect the actual the battery at the front there tomorrow, and then I'm gonna connect these ones here to the actual AC controller, and pretty much connect everything back here just quickly, and then I'm going to start the car up, and then I'm going to actually make sure that all the motors work and make sure everything's working fine before I assemble the rest. Okay, so when everything's good, all the wiring is all the communication wiring to the motors, all the wiring to the motor, and everything's working, and I can actually, there's no faults with the AC system, and then I'll start assembling everything on so we can get this car going. Okay, but at the moment it looks good, looks fine. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe.